Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's video, from mathematics subject, sequences and series topic we are going to continue. Let's continue the problems children. Already we have discussed up to 15 questions. Now let's start with the next question, 16th one. And the question is, there are 4 arithmetic means between 2 and minus 18. The means are what? Between 2 and minus 18, we have 4 arithmetic means. That 4 arithmetic means values we have to find out. So between 2 and minus 18, between 2 and minus 18, we will get 4 arithmetic means A1, A2, A3 and A4. We will get 4 arithmetic means. So this will be an AP, 2 comma A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma A4 minus 18. This sequence is an AP in which first term A value is plus 2 and the sixth term is minus 18. Middle terms A1, A2, A3, A4 we have to find out. But here we have sixth term as minus 18, but the formula for sixth term is A plus 5D, which is equals to minus 18. In the place of A, we can keep 2. 2 plus 5D equal to minus 18, or 5D equal to minus 18 minus 2. 5D equals to minus 20. D equals to minus 20 by 5. D equals to minus 4. So we have got the value of D here. Now A1 means second term, T2. Formula is A plus D, 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus 2. And A2 means third term, T3. Means for T2 we have to add D value. T2 value is minus 2. For that we have to add D value. So T3 formula, T2 plus D. So minus 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus 6. Next, A3 means fourth term. Fourth term formula, T3 plus D. T3 value minus 6, D value minus 4, which is equal to minus 10. In the same way, T5, minus 10 minus 4, which is equal to minus 14. So the arithmetic means are minus 2, minus 6, minus 10, minus 14. These are the 4 arithmetic means. So option D is correct. Next one, 70th question. If the first, second and the last terms of an AP are A, B, C respectively, then the sum is how much? If the first, second and last terms are ABC, then what is the sum of the AP? Here, if first term is A, second term is B and C is last term, so then first term equal to A, second term T2 equal to B, but second term formula A plus D equal to B, where D equal to B minus A, and last term formula we have A plus N minus 1 into D, but as per the data, last term value is C, so C equal to A plus N minus 1 into, in the place of D we can keep this B minus A, so this A will go towards left hand side, C minus A equal to N minus 1 into B minus A, or N minus 1 value, B minus A comes left hand side, it will become C minus A by B minus A. So N minus 1 equal to C minus A by B minus A, or if 1 comes towards right hand side, N equal to C minus A by B minus A plus 1, or if we take LCM, C minus A plus B minus A by B minus A. A gets cancelled, sorry, both are having same sign. A minus A will become minus 2A. C plus B minus 2A by B minus A. Or we can write it as B plus C minus 2A by B minus A. we can change these places. But sum of n terms formula, we have n by 2 into a plus l. This is the formula for sum of n terms if you know the first term and last term. But already we have calculated n value, which is equal to this one. So in this formula, in the place of n, we can keep n value. A value is A, L value last term is C. We can keep here. So this is the answer. A plus C into B plus C minus 2A by 2. This is the value of sum of ABC. So option C. Option C is right. Next one, 18th question. The sum of 11 terms of an AP whose middle term is 30 is dash. Sum of 11 terms of an AP we have to find out, in which middle term value is 30. For finding sum of 11 terms, they have given one hint, that is the middle term value is 30. So out of 11 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Out of 11 terms, if you see the middle term, 1, 11 cancel, 2, 10 cancel, 3, 9 cancel, 4, 8 cancel, 5, 7 cancel. So the middle term will be 6th term. Middle term, out of 11 terms, middle term will be 6th term, which is denoted by T6, and whose value is 30 as per the data. In the place of T6, we can keep the formula A plus 5D equal to 30. So now we have to find sum of 11 terms. For finding sum of 11 terms, we have the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is 11. S11 equal to 11 by 2 into 2a plus 11 minus 1 into d, or 11 by 2 into 2a plus 10d. In this 2a plus 10d, we can take 2 as common. So a plus 5d will remain, whose value is 30. Whose value is 30. In this place, we can substitute 30 here. 2 gets cancelled. 11 into 30, 330. So option B is right. Next one, 19th question. The first and last term of an AP are A and L respectively. Small a and small l respectively. If S is the sum of all the terms of an AP and the common difference is L square minus A square by K minus L plus A, then what is the value of K? So the first term is A, first term of AP is A, last term of AP is L, sum of terms is S, and the common difference D value is L square minus A square by K minus L plus A. Then we have to find the value of K. So first term A, last term L, but last term formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So if L comes this side or A goes this side, it will become L minus A. We can write this as n minus 1 into D equal to L minus A. And if D comes this side, n minus 1 equal to L minus A by D, plus 1 comes this side, L minus A by D plus 1. This is n value. Sum of n terms, we have formula is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this formula, in the place of n, let's keep this value here. N by 2. From n by 2, we can take 1 by 2 separate. In the place of n, we can keep this value. So 2a plus, in the place of n, we can keep this value and remaining as it is. So plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So here, this 2 will go towards the left hand side. It will become 2s. 2s equal to L minus A by D plus 1. This one. 2a plus L minus A by D into D. L minus A by D into D. dd gets cancelled, it will become 2a plus L minus A, 2a minus A equal to plus A, it is equal to L plus A, or this L plus A, if it goes towards left hand side, it will become 2s by L plus A, 2s by L plus A. If this 1 comes towards right hand side, it will become 2s by L plus A minus 1. In this, if we take LCM, L plus A is the LCM, 2s minus of L plus A by L plus A. After taking LCM, we can write like this. We can write like this. This L minus A, if it comes towards the right hand side, it will multiply L plus A. So we will be having 1 here. 1 by 2 D equal to 2s minus L plus A by L plus A into L minus A, which is equal to L square minus A square. Or this is 1 by D value. This is the RHS part. If we this one, if we take its reciprocal, 1 by D will become D by 1. This RHS reciprocal, L square minus A square by 2s minus L plus A will come. If we interchange the numerator and denominator, this is D value according to the hints. But D value in the question is given as L square minus A square by K minus L plus A. If we compare this second value and this second equation and third equation, in the place of L square we have L square, A square, A square. In the place of 2s we have K. In the place of L plus A we have L plus K. So in the place of K we have 2s. So the value of K is 2s. So as per the hints, the value of K is 2s. Option B is correct. Next one, 20th question. The sum of two numbers is 2 1 by 6. If an even number of arithmetic means are inserted between them, means between the two numbers whose sum is 2 1 by 6. If we insert even number of arithmetic means between them and their sum exceeds their number by 1, the arithmetic means sum exceeds their number by 1, the number of means inserted how many? How many means we have inserted, that we have to find. Let the two numbers be A, B, A comma B, A comma B. So even number of arithmetic means we can insert between them. The general form of even number is 2x. Let's take 2n here. 2n number of arithmetic means are inserted between the given two numbers. Why we have taken 2n means 2n is the general form of even number. So the sum of two numbers A plus B is 2 1 by 6, which is equal to 13 by 6. And sum of arithmetic means is 1 greater than their number. Number of arithmetic means is 2n. Sum of arithmetic means 1 more than the number of arithmetic means. So 2n plus 1. So this is the sum of arithmetic means. So between A and B, we are taking 2n number of arithmetic means. So total number of terms will be 2n terms in the middle, A here, B here, means 2n plus 2. 2n plus 2 will be the total number of terms including first and last terms. So sum of AP formula, we have n by 2 A plus L. We have the formula n by 2 A plus L. As we are inserting 2n arithmetic means between A and B, so last term will be considered as small b. So here in n number of terms, we have 2n plus 2. So in the place of n by 2, we can keep 2n plus 2 by 2. First term is A, last term is B. Or from these two we can take common. 2 of n plus 1 by 2 into A plus B. We can write like this. 2 gets cancelled. N plus 1 into A plus B. Like this we can write. So where A plus B value is 13 by 6. So in the place of A plus B, we can keep 13 by 6 into n plus 1. So this is sum of AP. So sum of arithmetic means only middle numbers we have to add. This A and B we have to minus. So from sum of AP, if we subtract the sum of A and B, first term and last term, we will get sum of arithmetic means. So but sum of arithmetic means value is 2n plus 1 as per question. 2n plus 1 equal to sum of AP, just now we have calculated 13 by 6 into n plus 1 minus A plus B value already we have calculated 13 by 6. So where 13 by 6 we can take common. In this left side we have 2n plus 1 equal to right hand side we can take 13 plus 6 common, or we can do one thing. This by 6 by 6, 6 will be common in the denominator. With 6 we can multiply left hand side value. 6 into 2n 12n, 6 into 1 6, 13 into n 13n, 13 into 1 13, minus 13. Minus 13 plus 13 cancel. 12n plus 6 equal to 13n. So 12n, sorry, this 12n comes left hand side. 13n minus 12n equal to 6, or n equal to 6. N equal to 6. So but here number of arithmetic means we have assumed as 2n. If n equal to 6, then number of arithmetic means will be 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 6, 12. So option A, 12 is the correct answer. Here, not C children, option A is right answer. 12 arithmetic means we can insert. Next children. If 4 numbers in AP are such that their sum is 50 and the greatest number is 4 times the least, then the numbers are what? 4 numbers they are in AP such that their sum is 50, 4 number sum is 50, and the greatest number out of 4 numbers, the greatest number is 4 times the least number. Find the numbers. Let the 4 numbers be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, whose sum is 50, means 4A plus 6D 50, 2A plus 3D 25. And they have given this A plus 3D is the greatest one and A is the smallest one. This greatest value is 4 times the smallest one. So A plus 3D is 4 times smallest one means A. A plus 3D equal to 4A. If A comes this side, 4A minus A, 3A. 3D equal to 3A, or 3A equal to 3D, or A equal to D. This value we will get. If we substitute A equal to D here in this equation, 2A plus 3A equal to 25, 5A equal to 25, A equal to 5. A equal to 5. So if A equal to 5, what is the next term? A plus D. 5 plus 5, 10. A plus 2D, 15. A plus 3D, 20. So the numbers are 5, 10, 15, 20. So the numbers are 5, 10, 15, 20. So option A is correct. Next children, 22nd. If m arithmetic means are inserted between 1 and 31, so that the ratio of 7th term and m minus 1th term, m minus 1 means is 5:9. Then what is the value of m? there are m arithmetic means between 1 and 31. And the ratio of 7th arithmetic mean, m minus 1th arithmetic mean is 5:9. Then what is the value of m? Given first term A 1, last term B 31, number of means they have given capital M, common difference formula B minus A by number of means plus 1, B minus A by M plus 1. This is the formula of D, where in the place of B we can keep 31, in the place of A we can keep 1. 31 minus 1 by M plus 1, or D equal to 30 by M plus 1. And one more hint they have given. 7th mean is to m minus 1th mean equal to 5:9. But 7th mean formula a plus 70, because any first arithmetic mean value a1 equal to a plus d, a2 equal to a plus 2d. In the same way, 7th arithmetic mean value a plus 70. So direct formula we can keep here. And m minus 1th mean value a plus m minus 1 into d. We can keep their value formulas, which is equal to 5:9. A plus 70, where a value is 1, d value is 1 meter. Or what they have done here, a plus 70 by a plus m minus 1 into d equal to 5/9. If you cross multiply, 9 into a, 9a, 9 into 7, 63d. This is 9a children, not 99. This is 9a plus 63d equal to, with 5. 5 into a, 5a, 5 into m, 5m, 5 into 1, 5. If you multiply with d, 5 into d into m, 5md, 5 into d into minus 1, minus 5d. This value we will get. This 5a will go left hand side. 9a minus 5a equal to 4a. This 63d will come right hand side. So 5md minus 5d minus 63d, which is equal to minus 68d. But a value is 1, 4 into 1, d value is 30 by m plus 1. So 5 into m into 30 by m plus 1 minus 68 into 30 by m plus 1. We can substitute values. 5 into 30, 150 m by m plus 1 minus 68 into 30, 2040 by m plus 1. M plus 1 is LCM. 150 m minus 2040. M plus 1 into 4. 4 into m, 4m. 4 into 1, 4. This we will get. This 4m will go towards left hand side. 150m minus 4m equal to 146m. Minus 2040 comes towards right hand side. Plus 2040 plus 4, 2044. Or m equal to 2044 by 146. 14 times. It cancels 2044 by 14 times. So m equal to 14. So our answer is m value is 14. This we have got, children. So that's all for today, children. Remaining we can learn in our next video. So thank you for watching our video, children. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. So please visit our website, children, www.aimstudio.in, for information regarding previous online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, coding skills. Thank you, children. Have a good day.